Driving in the nation's capital of Washington, D.C. can be exciting, but it also means taking on responsibility. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying the city's vibrant streets, understanding your car insurance requirements is crucial. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about car insurance in the District of Columbia, including the minimum car insurance requirements and limits, D.C. minimum coverage requirements, and penalties for driving without insurance. So don't worry, D.C. drivers, we've got you covered. Stick around until the end to learn expert tips on lowering your premiums and choosing the right coverage for your needs. Visit FreeAdvice.com, the easiest way to explore your insurance options. Go to our website today to compare quotes from multiple companies. With our free quote tool, you'll find customized options at the price you want in minutes. DC minimum coverage requirements. To drive legally in DC, the minimum coverage required by law is $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 for bodily injury per accident, and $10,000 for property damage. Let's start with the basics. What does DC law require in terms of car insurance coverage? All drivers in the District of Columbia must carry at least 25/50/10 coverage. But what does that actually mean? Imagine you cause an accident involving two other vehicles. If one driver sustains $30,000 in medical expenses, your insurance only covers $25,000. You're personally responsible for the remaining $5,000. Likewise, if property damage costs a total $15,000, but your policy only covers $10,000, you'll have to pay the difference out of pocket. That's why relying solely on minimum coverage might leave you vulnerable in serious accidents. Head over to FreeAdvice.com today to compare quotes, find the best providers at the cheapest rates, and start lowering your car insurance bills with ease and confidence. Why car insurance is crucial in DC. Car insurance in DC is more than just a legal requirement, it's your financial safety net. Here's why it's crucial. Accident costs are sky high. Medical bills and property damage expenses can add up quickly. Without insurance, you're on the hook for these costs. Legal protection. If you're sued after an accident, liability coverage helps cover legal fees and settlements. Peace of mind. Knowing you're protected against unexpected incidents gives you confidence on the road. In Washington, D.C., where traffic density and accident rates are high, having the right coverage is essential to handle costly repairs, medical bills, potential lawsuits, and ensure peace of mind. Penalties for driving without insurance. Driving uninsured in the District of Columbia carries serious consequences. If you're caught without valid coverage, you could face fines, license suspension, and vehicle impoundment. And it doesn't stop there. If you're involved in an accident without insurance, you're personally responsible for all medical and repair costs. Repeat offenses carry even stiffer penalties, including higher fines and potential criminal charges. To avoid these costly consequences, make sure you maintain at least the minimum required coverage at all times to prevent fines, license suspension, and even vehicle impoundment. Visit FreeAdvice.com to explore your coverage options. Just enter your zip code and we make it easy for you to compare quotes and shop for insurance hassle and stress-free. While meeting the minimum coverage keeps you legal, it might not be enough. Here are some essential add-ons to consider for better protection. Collision coverage. Pays for repairs or replacement of your vehicle after an accident, regardless of fault. Comprehensive insurance. Protects against non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. Uninsured, underinsured motorist protection. Protects you if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance or has insufficient coverage. Personal injury protection, also known as PIP. Covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of fault. Roadside assistance. Provides help with flat tires, battery issues, and towing services. These add-ons provide additional security, ensuring you're protected in a variety of situations. Visit FreeAdvice.com now to see which companies offer the best deals. In just a few clicks using our free quote tool, you can line up the lowest quotes and pick the provider with the best savings. Factors that affect your insurance premiums. Your auto insurance rates are influenced by several factors, including your driving record, age and experience, the type of vehicle you drive, your location, and even your credit score. To keep your premiums low, drive safely, maintain a clean record, and shop around for quotes, while considering strategies like higher deductibles and bundling policies to unlock additional discounts. Cheapest car insurance in the District of Columbia. Looking for the cheapest car insurance in the District of Columbia? Let's break down the top providers and tips to help you save. First up is Geico. Known for affordable rates and a wide range of discounts, Geico provides reliable coverage for DC drivers. With 24/7 customer service and a user-friendly app, it's a great option for budget-conscious motorists. Next up is Travelers. Travelers offers competitive pricing and various policy options. With customizable coverage and safe driving discounts, it's perfect for those seeking flexibility and value. And don't forget Progressive. Progressive's Name Your Price tool and extensive coverage options make it a strong choice. Perks like accident forgiveness and bundle discounts add even more value. Visit FreeAdvice.com and take advantage of our comprehensive, user-friendly quote comparison tool. Whether you have a clean driving history or a few bumps along the way, you'll be able to find competitive car insurance rates that fit your budget and your lifestyle. How to save on car insurance. Finding affordable car insurance in DC means comparing quotes and considering key factors like your driving history, age, and vehicle type. Younger and less experienced drivers often face higher rates, and where you live can also impact costs. Here are some tips to help you save. Compare quotes. Rates can vary significantly, so shop around to find the best deal. Look for discounts. Bundling policies, safe driver discounts, or low mileage discounts can lower your premium. Choose a higher deductible. A higher deductible means lower premiums, but you'll pay more out of pocket if you file a claim. Consider minimum coverage. If extra protection isn't essential, sticking to the minimum required coverage can save money. Maintain a clean driving record. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations helps keep your rates low over time. Final tips. To get the best deal on car insurance in DC, compare multiple quotes. Check for discounts. Consider a higher deductible, and stick to the minimum coverage if additional protection isn't needed. Exploring your options for car insurance is a must, so visit FreeAdvice.com today. Simply use our free search tool to compare quotes and find the best deal on car insurance, no matter what your driving record looks like. Car insurance in the District of Columbia is more than just a legal requirement. It's a financial safeguard. By understanding DC's coverage requirements, recognizing the importance of optional add-ons, and shopping smart for the best deals, you'll be better equipped to handle the unexpected. Remember, maintaining the right policy doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. If you found this video helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more insider insurance tips, and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Stay safe and smart on the road, DC drivers, and we'll see you at the next video.